For most professionals, especially mid-career professionals, we're really set in our ways. Whatever professional qualifications that we have or experiences that we've had in the past, it's really easy to get stale. If we want to make a change in our careers, being open to new experiences, meeting new people, and learning about other people's experience, it can really help accelerate our own growth.
Choosing the MBA program at Kellogg is because of the global network that Kellogg MBA provides.
You have different nodes that you can access. Germany, Hong Kong, Beijing, Evanston, Miami, Toronto. I mean, these global campuses are a node of a network that you can access no matter where you are. Maximum value, and very, very few. In fact, I'm going to go on the record, no other program gives you that. You being here amplifies the value, but that value is only realized by the collection of everybody in that room. Everyone's coming in from a different background. I met 3 surgeons in this week alone.
And Kellogg stood out to me for one particular reason: the team approach in the program, and the fact that a significant portion of our grade is attributed to team projects and teamwork.
The courses that I have taken here, I haven't seen it anywhere else. It's the practicality of it. It's not in the air. It's not concepts. It's not just frameworks. It's how to do it in real life.
The moment you come into the Kellogg community, you're so supported and you feel really comfortable to be your true, unique self. You can take risks here and you have the people around you that allow you to do that.
I'm a recent convert into my current role. The tools that I've learned here at the MBA program have allowed me to build on what my own skills are and allowed me to take on new roles.
We're getting to experience world-class professors. And these individuals have so much success behind them. If they hear something in class that interests them about you, they'll pull you aside and say, can we meet? Can we talk about this? I'd love to learn about this. I had this happen actually today. I love the fact that they utilize us as much as we're utilizing them. I mean, it's just a great interactive relationship.
My business is change and flux. So being here at Kellogg MBA has given me a newfound perspective for how to look at change and to look at how I can help implement change.